Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today in this hair review, guys, the wig I'll be installing today is from Chinalacewig. Came in this box. There's a card that came with it. The wig is bob. It came with detachable adjustable strap, inbuilt adjustable strap, and some combs. Okay, so guys, the wig is bob. The wig I'll be installing today is bob. It's from Chinalacewig. It's 100% virgin hair, and it's short bob style, zip pack. So guys, I'm just going to install the wig. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to leave the music on the background. So let's enjoy installing this wig. I like this for this summer. You can never go wrong when the sun is so high. You need something like this that is not too long and is elegant, is chic. I will leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. Okay,
seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Slaughter around the city with my day one niggas. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1 niggas. Wasn't in the field then you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb with us. I'm a big time nigga, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation, I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother now. And I know that if I got it, I'ma cover them. And I know that if I need it, they gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you preachin', I be living that. Taking trips round the globe, bringing game back. Touchdown hood, happy that I came back. Take a photo with my granny for the memories. And if it's for a good cause, I'm buying 10 of these. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. But you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Knee deep in the game and I'm still the same, nigga. Why you always hating? That's a damn shame, nigga. Gotta split the profits with the ones that came with you. All the homies share the vision, yeah, we got the same picture. You won't catch me in the club, I like to meditate. I be higher than a bird, I like to levitate. When I ask them how they doing, it ain't never great. So I be focused on the money, need a better rate. Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get colder where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, you can hit me. Pull up to the park, I'ma match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up, shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been a type that gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside.
So guys, my wig is fixed. I'm just going to spray this on it to make the hair shine. You can skip this. Just use it. So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. This wig from Chinalacewig is bob, short bob. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. You can never go wrong with this. Sometimes we need short hair like this, especially this summer. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao. Don't forget, the link to this unit will be on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Okay.